Getting started with MyFitnessPal.
MyFitnessPal is a popular app designed to help you track nutrition, exercise, and progress. Before creating a personalized workout plan, make sure you've downloaded the app and set up an account. Log in and familiarize yourself with the homepage and navigation bar, which provide quick access to tracking tools, goals, and your personal dashboard.
Navigating to workout features.
To begin customizing workouts, tap the Diary tab at the bottom of your screen. Here, you can log meals, water, and exercise. To access workout planning, select the Exercise section. You'll find separate spaces for cardio and strength-based activities, allowing you to organize different types of workouts.
Adding and customizing exercises.
Tap Add Exercise to record a new workout. You can choose from MyFitnessPal's extensive list of cardio and strength exercises, or add your own by selecting Create Exercise. Input details such as type, duration, sets, reps, and weights. This allows for tailored routine planning and ensures your workouts align with your fitness goals.
Setting fitness goals and reminders.
Personalize your plan by setting fitness goals. Tap the Goals button section to adjust targets, like the number of workouts per week or calories to burn. Use the app's reminder tools to schedule workout prompts, ensuring you stay consistent and accountable to your routine.
Tracking progress and making adjustments.
Consistency is key. Regularly log completed workouts in the diary. Review your progress in the Progress or Reports section, which offers visual graphs and trends. Make adjustments to your plan as needed, based on what's working best for you, and celebrate your achievements along the way.